Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Online STEAM Club. Once again, my name is Emily, and in this club we do fun activities in science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. So it's been so beautiful outside lately, I wanted to do something today that could take you out into your backyards or into a nearby park. So we're going to be looking at bubbles. And we'll be doing two different activities today. First, we'll be making our very own bubble mixture, and then we'll be making our own bubble wands. So we'll start with the mixture. If you do have some that you bought from the store, you can definitely use it, but it is a lot of fun and science-y to mix up your own as well. So of course you want to start with water. I've done about 1.5 cups. Your next ingredient is just going to be some dish soap. I've already mixed mine in, but you do want to have about 6 parts water to 1 part dish soap, so you can, depending on how much water you have, you can either do more or less of this. Once you have poured that in, you want to give it a nice gentle stir, and I do mean gentle. We don't want our mixture to be bubbling right now or to be frothing, so just nice and gentle just to make sure it's all the way worked through. And then your final ingredient is going to be some corn syrup. Just give it a nice generous glop in there, and then you can mix that in as well, nice and gently. So once you have your mixture, you can make your own bubble wand. Now, we aren't going to be doing bubble wands for blowing today, but bubble wands that can make geometric bubbles. So first you want to pick a geometric shape. I've chosen to make a pyramid. It's probably the easiest one to do. You could also definitely do a cube, or if you're feeling very adventurous, you could also try a sphere. So I've just used a pipe cleaner and I've just bent it into the shape I wanted, and then I've just cut little pieces off of straws and put it on my different lines to protect the bubbles from the little rough pipe cleaner. And once you have that, of course, you just put your bubble wand into your bubble mixture. And these bubbles tend to be a bit delicate, like all bubbles, so you just gently pull it out. And then what you should get is a little geometric bubble shape inside of this little wand, where there's more than one plane for your bubble. So like I said, these bubbles aren't really for blowing. I at least have never been able to blow a little bubble like this, but you could definitely give that a try and see if you're better at it than I am. And so anyways, those are just fun to do. They create some really fun little bubble shapes, so I would definitely recommend giving it a try. If you do try it and you're actually able to get a picture of your bubble, we would love to see it on our Facebook page. Well, until next time, goodbye.